started recording again, I'm doing it separately. So, yeah. Let's crick extrude one more time. In fact, I'm not even supposed to. Let me go back. Oh my days, it worked. Wait, did it work? Did it work?
Purchase your tracks today.
Cool. Now, hold on. Please, everything move. I beg. Yes. Okay. Take every. Why didn't I just think of this?
Purchase your tracks today.
But this one, however, this one will be this one as well, and this one will be pink. Let's flipping get it. Let's flipping get it. Let's flipping go. That's what we do. Even though it took me years and years, but oh well. Now let's see what we've got ourselves here. Let's get rid of this. And yeah, so that is what we have so far. But now we may need to go to the mouth. So we go down here. Oh, finally, man. Finally. I've got less than about 25 minutes. So it's taken me over 2 hours to make this, which is really infuriated me. However, we're gonna have to just deal with that. Let us just grab all of this. Yes. Let's make this. sign. Okay. Alright, that's looking good.